Hey guys, so it's been so long, I feel like, since I filmed a video. I might be a little bit rusty. Plus, I'm in a new setup and I have a new camera and I have new nails. Not really, I just did it myself. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys the sub reveal for September. So this is the September stationery sub. This is the kit that's coming out. It went out with the subscriptions last week, and then also this kit itself will be coming to the shop on this week on Friday. So I wanted to show you this. So if you haven't, I believe everyone except for maybe some international people already received their sub kits. But just in case you haven't and you want to be surprised, I'll save this for the second part. But first I'll show you the November kit. So let me zoom in here. All right, so here is our November sticker kit, and these, for those of you who don't know, there might be a lot of new people, so I'll just quickly describe it. So these are available a la carte in the shop. There's 5 pages now. Actually, do I have 5 pages here? Oh, 5 pages now, because I recently added another sheet as an option, so you can buy any combination of these or just one. So I'll quickly go over it. This is November, and it always comes with some deco here. It's very subtly themed for like fall and Thanksgiving. If you can see here, that little Thanksgiving plate. So I try not to make it too heavily Thanksgiving, just in case, especially if some of you who are international, you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, or you don't celebrate Thanksgiving right now in November. I try to just make it more so fall. And then I really love this pattern here, like this sweater pattern. It's so pretty. These are actually 2 skinny washi strips. And then you get your deco, your mini flags, your this month and next month. And then I'm calling it Sweet November. So this is sheet A here. And then here's sheet B, which is 8 full boxes. These are 1 1/4 inch wide, so a little bit more narrow than the standard. So just some decorative. I leave some boxes, so if you want to write stuff or put quotes in here, you can, or just fully, like full deco boxes. And then I have extra space down here, so I put just a thin strip of washi there. So that's sheet B. And then sheet C is your flags, quarter boxes and half boxes, and some of them have a little bit of deco in them. This is like a medium gray, this is a like navy blue, and this is marble background. So that's sheet C. And then sheet D is the headers and big washi. So these are like that, like navy blue color today to do little things. This is in the medium gray with some extra headers, and then these are 2 thicker washi strips. And that, I really like this sweater pattern. I think it's so pretty. And that's sheet D. And then the past month or two, I added this sheet E, which is actually what monthly subscribers got. If they subscribe to the mini sticker kit subscription, you would get the sheet A and then sheet E. So this is actually just a combination of a couple of the other sheets. So you get just 4 full boxes, and then just 1 each of the flags, quarter boxes and half boxes with the little deco inside. So that's sheet E. So like I said, you can order all 5 of these or any combination of them, because they are sold a la carte. So that's what's going to be released in the shop on Friday, but this is also what went out to the sticker kit subscribers. So if you subscribe to the full sticker kit, just the sticker kit, you got these 4 sheets that I just showed you. So this is the full sticker kit, and then you get this deluxe sampler. And these are actually transparent arrows. One of our best sellers in the shop are the transparent dots. And so I decided to try some arrows to see if you guys would like that. So that went out with the subscription sticker kits. Oh, here you can see the transparent arrows. And then if you did the mini sticker kit subscription, you got the sheet A and the sheet, sorry, E. So you had these two, and then you also did get the deluxe sampler. So now I'm gonna show you the subscription. I'm sorry, the stationery subscription. So usually they come in these black bags unless I can't fit everything in here. I haven't been able to find yet a bigger bag. So this past month, September, they did come in this black bag. So I'll just open this up. And then this is what you got inside. So I'll take them out one by one. So you always get 4 items basically. Here's one, usually a journaling card and some stickers I'll show you in a second. And then here's another. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's just start with the vellum. So I know vellum has been super popular, and I know, I don't know, but you guys might have noticed in the recent subs, I've been experimenting with different sizes. So before, I used to send out full sheets, 8.5 by 11 sheets of vellum, folded in half, which people did like. However, those of you who use like a A5 size planner or bigger, the sheets folded in half were a little bit too small, and you guys were able to work with it, but I wanted to try to make it functional for even bigger, or bigger planners. So I tried to send out full sheets unfolded. Well, that kind of became messy, and so I wanted to try something new. So this one is actually sized, let me see if I have, actually I think I have A5 size. Like here's, I have a little stash here. This is like a, here, let me get this one so you can see better. This is like size for A5. I was using this in my A5 planner. And so if you can see, this will fit the A5 size. Sorry, I'm not used to this new camera, so I'm out of frame, but this will fit the A5 size. And so I cut them down to this size, and I was going to just do 1 sheet of each for the subscription, but I ended up having extra of the lashes, so everyone got 2 sheets of the lashes, and then 1 sheet of the marble, which I love this marble. I changed my marble. I'm super picky about how marble is, and I really liked the one I had before, but then I recently found this one, which I love so much. So you got this vellum with a marble pattern, and then you got 2 of the ones with the lashes, which are so pretty. I'm picky about lashes too, and I really love how these lashes look. So yeah, that's the first item you get in your stationery sub. And then the second item were these sticky notes. So I'll take them out of the package. So the first one you get is this daily wellness tracker. So I put the days of the week up here that you can circle, and then check off if you took your vitamins or medication. Water tracker, and then you can log what you ate for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. The way I use it is I log what I eat so I can keep track, but you could also use it as a pre-planner, that if you want to plan your meals for the day, then you could do it like as a pre-planner, and then check off if you do any self-care or exercise. So I found these super helpful. I debated about putting this on my daily inserts, like in the actual design of the insert, but not everybody does it, or I really utilize the whole space of my daily insert. So I like having it on a separate sticky note. So yeah, you get that, and it's Post-it brand. And then just a plain grid one. I did a grid like probably a year ago for the subscriptions or something like that, a while back. But the company that produced them, the grid lines were just a tad bit too light. So I want to do it again with some darker lines and just in combination with this. And actually, let me show you in my planner, I do use it as a tracker right now. So in my planner here, you see I just wrote in my days and tracking stuff. So you could do, I mean, it's very versatile, the grid sticky note. And then the last two items you get are in this package. And so I usually always have a journaling card as the freebie. And so this one, I never did a white journaling card before, and I was nervous about if people would like white since it's so plain, but it seems like people really like this design. So it's But First Coffee with this line art that I got, that I purchased, and I really love it, the simplicity of it. And then you always get 4 sticker sheets. So here's the first one. You always usually get a deco. I really love this deco so much. I thought it was very nice, like colors for fall and planner themed. It's kind of like a shopping theme, you know, buying your stickers or going shopping, washi, Happy Mail and stuff like that. So then going along with that theme is usually always have icons in the sub box. So you have these icons, and it's shopping theme as well. Shopping cart, shopping bag, like Happy Mail, mailer and box, and then like a sale tag, and then even a no spend icon. And then these two sheets, these last two sheets actually kind of go together. So these are on transparent paper. If you can see it, you can see through it. So it's like not a totally crystal clear, it's like a frosty clear paper. And then if you can use any of these icons. So these are hand doodles that I've done, and it's bow, heart, balloons, mail, coffee, TV, money, credit card. So if you take one of these clear stickers, and then here's this one, just plain labels. These are like a gray, darker here, lighter here. And then you put the clear icon here. Then you could put your reminder there. So, and you can do that with any of these things. Like if you have like a date or me time, someone's birthday or party, mail, you know, this could also be me time or for a date, a show, a bill due, or payday, and you can use those icons here. So if you guys really like this, I was planning to try to make some more clear ones that you can put on these type of labels, so you can customize the kind of labels that you have. So those are the last two sticker sheets for the sub. So yeah, that's it. That's all that came in the stationery sub. This is the September subscription. October spots opened yesterday, so they always open on the first of the month, and so they're open now. There's always a different variety of items, so you don't always get the same thing. You do always get stickers, and usually you always get like a deco, icons, maybe some kind of doodling or hand lettering I'm trying to do each month, and then like a functional, or it might be 2 functionals. And then you usually always get a card and 2 surprise items. So lately it's been vellum and something else, but you know, it just always changes from month to month. And then also don't forget that on Friday, the November kit will be released in the shop, along with possibly a new kit that I don't want to say it yet just in case I don't do it, but there might be a new kit that's available in the shop to purchase along with this. So that's coming to the shop on Friday. And then every order in October will receive a mini version of the sampler. So you guys will all get these clear or these transparent arrows. So it's pretty much the same thing, just a smaller amount. It's like half of this size. So you'll get that as well. So yeah, that's it. So far, I've heard really good things about the subscription. People are really liking it. People are really liking this journaling card and this sticky note a lot. And then you guys have really been loving vellum, so I think I want to do that more often. I noticed that you guys really like the vellum. So if you have any other requests or suggestions, feedback for the subscriptions or just the shop in general, just leave a comment below. And yeah, it's so nice to be back. I hope to be posting at least one new video each week, so come back and stay tuned for more stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.